Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can register for your online banking account on BMO Harris Bank. If you want to have access to your financial transactions, account histories and details from anywhere and anytime online, then registering for your online banking account could be the best decision. The process to register for your online banking account is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. So in order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop, then on the search bar search for bmoharris.com. And once you land onto an interface like this, you can see the login interface on your screen. So go to Enroll Now option and tap on it. And by tapping on it, you'll be directed to the page where you can start your enrollment process on your BMO Harris Bank. So in order to get started, go to the account type and choose your account type. Then go to the account number text field and enter the account number. So if you acquire a social security number, then go and tap onto this box, and if you acquire any taxpayer identification number, then go and tap onto this box. Now enter your social security number or taxpayer identification number in the text field here. Once you're done entering your details, just go and tap onto continue option here. And by tapping on it, you'll be directed to another page. Now follow the on-screen prompts and you'll have successfully registered for your online banking account. And by tapping on it, you'll be directed to another page. Follow the on-screen prompts now and you'll have successfully registered for your online banking account on BMO Harris Bank. And by the completion of the registration process, you'll be also provided with a username and a set of password that you can log into your account with. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye bye.